Hey, 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 all my toy cousins. It's me, your favorite uncle, Uncle Alex here. Today, we have a cool new toy to open. So let's get right into the unboxing. So as you can probably tell, this is a Spongebob ball, not really a surprise egg, but a Spongebob ball egg that you get in those Gacha machines. It's like a little yo-yo type of thing. You can spin it like a fidget spinner, like so. And you can bounce it like a basketball. And you can squeeze it, make his face come out. It's pretty cool. And you can throw it at things. And you can drop it on the floor like I did. But yeah, it's a pretty cool toy. It's bouncy. It's pretty squishy too. It's nice for spinning around if you don't have a fidget spinner on you. And it's nice for throwing at things too. Actually, I'm gonna slow-mo shot of me throwing this at the wall. Now that was really cool. I hope you guys like this toy. This is a pretty cool toy. I really like this toy. I really like this one, not gonna lie. I hope you guys like this video. I mean, the toy's cool and all, but the video, now that's the good stuff. So, yeah, this was Uncle Alex here. Thank you for watching Toy Uncles. Bye-bye.